Hello everybody, this is Josh from Drift, just hanging out, listening to sounds of nature. I wanted to talk a little bit about the string between nature's rhythms and the rhythms of the singing bowl, most commonly used in sound meditations, and also how these same principles apply to the soundscapes that I make with the neurofeedback. So I'm going to play the singing bowl for you really quickly, so listen for the pulse that you might hear. And you find these same rhythms all around you in nature. So nature was actually our very first meditation teacher and our oldest meditation teacher. So you find these same rhythms that match up with our brainwaves in bird chirps and crickets and frogs and wind blowing through the trees, waterfalls, creeks. All these noises are things that help us relax and improve our health and boost our immunity and help us sleep better. So these pulses are in these singing bowls, which you often hear in sound meditations. You generally need to spend about 20 to 30 minutes with a piece of music to start to get into the zone. And if you're trying to go to sleep with music, 45 minutes is suggested according to research that's been done on the subject.